Welcome back to your Step Up Math class. Today's lesson will be from new chapter, Division. Division means equal sharing or equal grouping of numbers, things, money, etc. Division kan ti chuanin thil engemaw number te poisa te le thil dang shim a in sa ta a in anga kan sem som kha ni. Chuanin division a hianin number kan hmu chhuah hrang hrang kha a hming a in ang lo chevin a oma chu te chu voina kan zir don ani. Let me give you an example of how to divide a 5-digit number by a 1-digit number. Draw 2 lines for your name and for today's date. Write lesson, division, and write exercise 4.1. Write example. In the example, we have 35,868 divided by 7. So we will divide like this. Lift 2 lines and then write 7. And then draw a line. Write 3, 5, 8, 6, 8. This 1-digit number is called the divisor, and this 5-digit number is called the dividend. A divide 2 rahi digit pakhat chawa hi divisor ania kan divide tur number rahi a number lian zo ka hi dividend ani. We're going to divide this number by 7. So let's look at the number in the 10,000s place. That is 3. 3 is smaller than 7, so we cannot divide 3 by 7. Hetilai number hi divisor aya te chuanin kan divide theilawani. Chuwan chuanin a dot le mi hi kan ente lang. 1,000s place mi hi kan ente lang. So we have 35. So let's see whether 35 is in a timetable of 7. Draw a rough column and write RC. 7 1 is 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. So we have 35 in the 7 times table. So we will write 5 here and write 35. Subtract 35 from 35. We have 0. And in the next step, take the number on the hundreds place, which is 8, and right next to 0 we have 8. So 7 1 is 7. Subtract 7 from 8. We have 1. And after that, take down the number from the tens place, which is in the tens place, and right next to 1 we have 16. So let's see whether 16 is in the 7 times table. 7 1 is 7, 7 2s are 14. So 14 is the nearest to 16. So we will take 7 2s are 14. Subtract 14 from 16. 6 minus 4 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we don't need to write 0 before number because 0 is nothing. And in the next step, take down 8, which is in the ones place, and right next to 2. We have 28. Let's see whether 28 is in a 7 times table. 7 1 is 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. So we have 28 in the 7 times table, which is 4 times. 7 4s are 28. Subtract 28 from 28. We have the remainder 0, or we don't have the remainder. So we will write the answer like this. Answer quotient. The quotient is the number obtained here, the number we got here. Helayami hi quotient niya, hetilayami hi remainder ani. Achang chuanin nichina kan soi to ang khanin number zong zong kha in sem som theilo chin hetilaya han remainder om china a leftover kan ti a chuang kan ti kha remainder ani chuan we will write the quotient is equal to 5124 or 5124, and don't forget to put comma, and we have the remainder equal to 0, or we don't have a remainder in this problem. Tikhan ni sina ka soi to ang khan he tilaya hianin a number hi a divide tu tur aya te jok chuanin a bul chia mi hi kan enanga kan latelanga chuan 35 kan lo nei don ani ti chuanin 35 kha 7 times table a om lo tikhan kan zong ta 5 times lo ni ta a ti chuanin a hnu le zela khan he ti hianin a in dotin 100 state tens le 1 sami kha he ti hianin a in dotin kan la thata zelani kan subtract zo ve le khan chuanin helaya hian remainder kan nei lova remainder kha 0 ania chuanin helaya hianin remainder is equal to 0 kan ti ta ni chuan quotient chu hetilaya kan hmu chwa ka soinon le ang a divide tu a hi divisor ania hetilai hi dividend ania hi quotient ania hetilaya hian remainder om chin ani. You don't need to copy this example in your exercise notebook. Now I'm going to show you an example of how to divide a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Exercise 4.1, question number 1, sub number D. Your assignment from question number 1 will be sub number B, D, E, and F. Question number 2, solve the following story sums. Question number A, 780 books have to be arranged equally on 13 shelves. How many books will be there on each shelf? Lekhabu 780 lekhabu hetizat hi oma chuanin 13 shelves sa chwara khanin chwar kha som pathum 13 shelves sa oma chuanin khami 13 shelves sa khanin lekhabu 780 hi engza chevin nge a in ang chapin kan rem theyang ti kha kan zong don ani. Copy question number A in your exercise notebook. As it is a story sums, we need to write the statement before dividing the numbers. So here it is given a number here. So this number is the number of books, the total number of books, and this will be the first statement. We have the total number of books, and here we have number 13, and this is the number of shelves, so this will be the second statement. We have the number of shelves, we have 13 shelves, and the third statement will be the number of books in one shelf. Each shelf means one shelf. Copy question number 2. Solve the following story sums and copy down the question by yourself. And after that, you will draw an answer dash and write the statement like this. Total number of books is equal to 780. Number of shelves is equal to 13. And number of books in one shelf is equal to 780 divided by 13. And after that, we will arrange the numbers like this and we will start dividing. Tihanin number aron pe a question a khanin 780 books aron pe a kha total number of books ani ti kha kan shetheya kha a statement masaberatan kan lata a chuanin number dang 13 aron pe a 13 kha eng number nge ti chu adot chi amia khanin asiata shelves omzat aron soina ni. So second statement will be number of shelves is equal to 13. Chuanin a question na aron zo na a chuanin shelf pakhata khanin lekhabu engza zel nge da thei aron intita a number of books in one shelf to total number of books divided by the number of shelves 780 divided by 13. Chuan heti hian kan ziak ta ti chuanin kan hmu chhuah kha heta hian kan ziak don ani dash books will be there on each shelf. Shelf pakhata chuan hemizat lekhabu helai quotient ta kan mu chwa za ta kha heta hian kan zia ka nga, and that will be the answer. Question number B. Mr. Sharma spent rupees 10,725 to buy 5 gifts for his family. He spent the same amount on each gift. Find the cost of one gift. Mr. Sharma khanin hetizat poisa hi 10,725 hi gifts leinan khanin achungte gift tur leinan khanin ahmangani. Chuanin engzat nge a in ang cheu khanin poisa in ang cheu kha ahmanga, chuanin engzat nge ahman engza cheu nge ahman ti kha kan zong don ani. Chuanin an statement kan zia le photanga ya, we have number that is 10,725, and this number is the total amount spent. Amount kan ti chuanin, why do we say amount? Because we talk about money. So in the answer statement it will be the total amount spent, and we have 5, and this number 5 is the number of gifts. So the second statement will be the number of gifts, and the third statement will be amount on each gift. Draw answer dash. The first statement is the total amount spent is equal to rupees 10,725. Number of gifts is equal to 5. And the amount spent on each gift is equal to the total amount spent divided by the number of gifts. 10,725 divided by 5. Lift 2 lines and arrange the numbers like this. And you will write the answer like this. Rupees dash is the cost of one gift. Gift pakhat manzat kan chok chua ka heta hian kan ziak don ni. You will write the number you get in the quotient. Quotient kan mu kha heta hian kan ziak don ni. You will submit your assignment today before 8 p.m. Thank you.